Hi everyone, welcome back to Biotechshalaa. My name is Muskan Kashyap and I'm a bioinformatician. And one of the most common questions that I receive in my comments is, Ma'am, I'm doing BSc Microbiology. Can I pursue bioinformatics? Ma'am, I'm from Computer Science. Can I pursue bioinformatics? Ma'am, I'm from Biotechnology. How can I pursue bioinformatics? Or should I choose BSc or should I choose B.Tech to pursue bioinformatics? Or which colleges are the best to pursue bioinformatics? So if you ever had these kind of questions, then this video is for you because today I'm going to answer all of them in one place. So make sure that you watch the video till the end because this video could help you decide your entire career path. So first of all, let's begin with what is bioinformatics. So before talking about eligibility, let's first understand what bioinformatics actually is. So, bioinformatics is a field that combines biology, computer science, programming, statistics, and mathematics together. So, it helps scientists to analyze the biological data. And what is this biological data? DNA sequences, RNA sequences, protein sequences, these are the biological data. And genomics, transcriptomics, if you don't know what genomics and transcriptomics are, you can Google about it. It has a very simple definition, and drug discovery and precision medicine and AI in healthcare. So these are all the biological data. So today, almost every biotechnology company, every pharmaceutical company, and every genomics laboratory, they uses bioinformatics. So that's why the demand for bioinformaticians is increasing every year. Now, our first question, can biology students pursue bioinformatics? So the answer is absolutely yes. If you are studying BSc Biotechnology, if you are studying BSc Microbiology, if you are studying BSc Biochemistry, or even if you are studying any of the life sciences program like genetics, zoology, botany, biomedical sciences, even if you are studying pharmacy, agriculture, whatever life sciences degree you are studying, you can definitely move into bioinformatics. Initially, you will need to learn some programming because bioinformatics involves working with a lot of biological data. And the good news is that you do not need to become an expert software engineer. Okay, you just need to start with Python, R, Linux, and a few bioinformatics tools. So these are enough to get you started in your bioinformatics career. Now, our next question, can computer science students pursue bioinformatics? So again, the answer is yes. So many people think that bioinformatics is only for biology students, and that is not true. If you are from computer science, if you are from information technology, if you are from artificial intelligence, if you are from data science, or even if you are from software engineering, you already have a strong programming foundation. You just heard me the piece of advice I gave to the students from life sciences who are studying the life sciences program, that I told them start with these skills. And you already know what are these skills. These are the programming skills. And this is what you are already learning in your college, in your computer science, in your information technology, AI, data science. You are already using these programming skills. So you already have the programming foundation. You just simply need to learn biology concepts such as DNA, RNA, proteins, genetics, molecular biology, and genomics. So, many companies, okay, this is very important for you. So, many companies, they actually prefer people who have strong coding skills and along with biological knowledge. So, you already have coding skills, you just need to develop the biological knowledge. And students who are from life sciences, you already have the biological knowledge, you just need to have coding skills. Okay, now next question, what if you are from another background? So even if you are not from biology, if even if you are not from computer science, don't panic. Many students, they successfully transition into bioinformatics. So it may take a little more effort, but it's definitely possible if you are willing to learn both biology and programming. Now, The next question, should you choose BSc or should you choose B.Tech? So this is probably the most asked question, and the answer is it depends on your interest. So if you enjoy biology, then you should go for BSc. So you should choose BSc if you have a strong interest in biology. You will build a strong understanding of molecular biology, genetics, microbiology, biotechnology, right? So in BSc, you have these kind of subjects related to biology. You will have cell biology subject, you will have molecular biology subject, you have recombinant DNA technology subject. So all of these subjects, they revolve around biology. So if you have interest in biology, then choose BSc, and then later you can pursue MSc Bioinformatics or some specialized training. Now, if you enjoy programming and engineering, then in that case you should go for BTech, and especially BTech in biotechnology, BTech in bioinformatics, and BTech in computer science. You can go for any of these. So here you will have a stronger technical skills. So neither of the option is better. Both can lead to a successful careers in bioinformatics. What matters more is your skill. Now, which degree is better for bioinformatics? So again, let's compare. So BSc students, they generally have stronger biology knowledge. Computer science students, they generally have stronger programming skills. So an ideal bioinformatician, he or she develops both. Okay, if you want to become a bioinformatician, you should have both of the skills, the computer science student skills and the BSc student skills. And what are these skills? The programming and the biological knowledge. So regardless of your degree, focus on building the skills, and these skills are Python, R programming, Linux, statistics, genomics, NGS analysis, databases, AI tools, and data visualization. So skills matter more than your degree. Okay, your degree just give you a starting, it just give you a push. Skills are what that make you much more employable, and these are those skills. Now, another question, that which colleges offer bioinformatics? So many universities in India, they offer bioinformatics at undergraduate or postgraduate level. So some of the well-known universities are University of Hyderabad, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pondicherry University, Banaras Hindu University. So these are the universities that offer the bioinformatics program. So obviously there are many more universities as well. So what you have to do, if you have a specific university in your mind, then search for that university, and before choosing that university, always check that what is the curriculum, what is the faculty, what is the research opportunities, what are the internship opportunities that university is providing, and what are the placement support that the university is providing. So if you have a specific university in mind, so first of all, let's see if that university is providing the bioinformatics program, then search for these things regarding that university. If you don't have a specific university in your mind, then search for a specific area you want to study in. For example, you have a specific interest that you want to go in this area and you want to study. So regarding that area, search on Google that in that area, what are the universities that offer the bioinformatics program, and then search for their curriculum, faculty, research opportunities, internship opportunities, and placement support. Now, don't choose a college based on its name. Always search for these things regarding the college or university. Okay. Now, next question, that with what skills should you learn? So no matter which degree you choose, always start with these skills: molecular biology, genetics, Python, R programming, Linux, SQL, biostatistics, NGS, genomics and proteomics, and machine learning basics. So these are the skills again that will make you employable. So skills are what that matters. And if you want to learn these skills from me, then the link is in bio, and demo sessions for each of these skills are also freely available. Now, what are the career opportunities if you go for bioinformatics? So after learning bioinformatics, you can work as bioinformatics analyst, you can work as computational biologist, you can work as genomics analyst, NGS analyst, clinical bioinformatician, research associate, you can work as data scientist in life sciences, you can work as AI in healthcare researcher, drug discovery scientist, and also a PhD researcher. And you can work in pharmaceutical companies, you can work in biotechnology companies, you can work in hospitals, research institutes, universities, you can work in genomics companies and startups as well. So I want to tell every student one thing, that please don't think that your background decides your future. It does not. I have seen many biology students that they become excellent programmers, and I have also seen software students, software engineer students, they become outstanding bioinformaticians. So the biggest difference is not your degree, it's your willingness to learn. So stop worrying about whether you are eligible or not and start building your skills today, because skills is what that give you a better career. So I hope this video answered most of your questions, and if you still have any kind of doubts, write them in the comments. I will try to answer all of your doubts. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Biotechshalaa. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.